Hey everyone, welcome back. Is Block Plus running slow or feeling delayed when you drag blocks into place? Here are the fastest iPhone fixes. First, go to your settings, then go to General, then go to iPhone storage and free up space by offloading unused apps since Block Plus slows down significantly when storage is nearly full, needing room for temporary files and a cached data. Next, close every other app in your recent app list since if your device is running too many apps simultaneously, memory limitations can force Block Plus to lag or close unexpectedly. Then go to your settings again and go to display and brightness. Tap on it and make sure that low power mode is turned off since it throttles performance and directly causes surges back block dragging response. Finally, restart your iPhone completely, hold the side button and the volume down, slide the power off, wait 30 seconds and then turn it back on. A full restart clears temporary memory buildup and is the most effective fix for persistent lag after extended play. So all you've got to do is free up storage, close background apps, turn off low power mode and restart your iPhone. That's it. Blockbuster runs smoothly again. Subscribe.